Alright, good day, viewers. I remember my humble self, Otemu Ogenenyero, teaching on YouTube. I encourage you to subscribe irrespective of the country you are viewing me from. I've taught permutation. I'm not talking about combination. Combination means selection or choosing. Now, n combination arrow is equal to n factorial over n minus arrow factorial. That is combination. It's unlike permutation. Permutation, there's no arrow factorial again, you stop here. That is what we call permutation, but we are dealing with combination. Example 12, number 1, 12 combination 8 simply means 12 factorial over 12 minus 8 factorial and 8 factorial. And what is 12 factorial is also the same thing. 12 minus 8 is 4. 4 factorial, then 8 factorial. What is now 12 factorial? 12 factorial is 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times... Okay, let me stop at 8 factorial. This 8 factorial. I can take it down to 1, but I want to spare time. 8 factorial. Over 4 factorial means 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 times 8 factorial. So this will cancel this. I want to also make it fast. 3 into 9 is 3. 2 into 10 is 5. 4 here 1, 4 here 3. Now, what is 3 times 11 times 5 times 3? 3 times 11 times 5 times 3 is 495. So our answer is 495. Let us do example number 2. Alright, let's solve number 2. So find the number of ways a committee of 5 consisting of 3 male and 2 female can be formed from a special club consisting of 8 male and 7 female. So numbers of ways of selecting male. I want to take male first. Of selecting male. Number of ways of selecting male. We have 3 male here, and we still have 8 male here and 8 male, which means 8 combination theory. Which means 8 combination theory. You pick this first because the smaller number comes before the bigger one. It's a combination. If 8 was here, it would be permutation. You are permuting. Now, which means 8 factorial over 8 minus 3 factorial and 3 factorial. What is that? The same thing as 8 factorial. 8 minus 3 is 5 factorial and 3 factorial. Okay? Here will now be 8. I will stop at 5 factorial so that I can work with this data. 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 factorial. Here is 5 factorial times 3 times 2 times 1. I bring 3 times 2 times 1 down. 5 factorial will cancel 5 factorial. These 2 will cancel this. What is that? 8 times 7 is 56. Is 56 ways. Alright, let us pick the other one. Let's pick the other one, which is now the female. We have 2 female up there and 7 female here. So number of ways of selecting numbers of ways of selecting 2 female and 7 female. 2 females and 7 female. Okay? Which simply means 7 combination 2, which is 7 factorial, 7 minus 2 factorial, 2 factorial. 7 factorial, 7 minus 2 factorial, and 2 factorial. What is 7? There's also 7 factorial. 7 minus 2 is 5 factorial and 2 factorial. So here I will stop at 5 factorial. 7 times 6 times 5 factorial. Here is 5 factorial times 2 times 1. So this will cancel this. This will cancel this, give us 3. So it will give us is equals to 3 times 7 is 21 ways. So the number of ways of selecting a committee, now the number of ways of selecting a committee will be 56 ways times 21 ways. And what is 56 times 21? 56 times 21 give us 1176. 1176 ways. So I encourage you, want to write jam. Why? Subscribe to my YouTube channel at Otemu Math Success. Example number 3. Alright, let's work example number 3. Evaluate n plus 1 combination n minus 2 if n is equal to 8. So we said n plus 1 combination n minus 2 simply means n plus 1 factorial all over n plus 1 minus bracket n minus 2 factorial n minus 2 factorial. That's what it means. Now, here is written as n plus 1 factorial. All over, you clear the bracket. Yes, n plus 1 minus times n is minus n. Minus times minus 2 is plus 2. Okay? Factorial. Now, Here is now n minus 2 factorial. So it's the same thing as n plus 1. What n minus n is 0. 1 plus 2 is 3. So here is 3 factorial into n minus 2 factorial. It is now we cannot substitute the value of 8. It is now we cannot substitute the value of 8. Now, n is 8. So 8 plus 1 factorial over 3 factorial into, yes, now 8 again, 8 minus 2 factorial. So what is 8 plus 1 is 9 factorial over 3 factorial. Then, what is now 8 minus 2 is 6 factorial. So we can now work now. Alright. 9 factorial over 3 factorial 6 factorial simply means 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 factorial. I want to end with this factorial here. Right? This 3 factorial is 3 times 2. 3 times 2 times 1. Then times 6 factorial. 6 factorial will cancel 6 factorial. 3 will cancel 9 to give us 3. 2 will cancel 8 to give us 4. So what is now 3 times 4 is 12. Then times 7 is 84. So our final answer is 84. So I encourage you, those that want to write down, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share my videos to one another. I remember myself again, Otemu Mass Success. God bless you.